ain't no good. But we can fix that. Now we put anti-seize on all these bolts last time we did this a few years ago. So this should go pretty easy. This first bolt's already coming right out. As is the second one. Last time I did these were all seized in here. I had to use a torch to heat them up. That anti-seize really saved you a lot of work. You can see this thing ain't doing a dang thing. Got new ones. Now this one takes a substantial amount of effort to move it in and out. This one, nothing. Put some fresh anti-seize on our bolts. Now we've got another one here. We'll put the one on the other side and then we'll show you the difference. The other side was even worse. You see, it's not like I use cheap parts. I don't know if the camera can see that, but that's a genuine mack shock. And I replaced these about, 2.5 years ago. Bottom out, just 2 rubber bushings that sandwich in between bracket. Then you got 2 bolts on the top side you have to remove. Make sure you anti-seize these when you put them back together. This time went smooth as silk. The last time I did these, it was a real fight. I broke a bolt off. I had to use a torch to heat everything up to get them off. I had to cut the bottom of the shock apart to get these things off. So make sure you use anti-seize when you change these. And I'll show you the difference here. I might even play back the beginning of this video here and show you the difference. But I'm going to put in way more effort in trying to rock this cab now. And it's barely moving. It's actually shaking the entire truck instead of just the cab. And you let go of it, and it stops instantly. That ain't no good. Before, this thing bounced up and down and just keep bouncing. You won't believe the difference that this will make in the ride quality of your truck. This is something you haven't done in a long time. You might want to consider doing it. You might want to check them. just like I did there. Grab a hold of the back of your sleeper, try to rock that thing up and down. If it keeps bouncing after you let go of it, it's time to replace them shocks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Have a good day. Thank you.